Multiple new cases of the CCP virus infection have been identified in 4 districts of Beijing in the past several days. Local authorities issued 20 pandemic control measures and asked residents not to leave Beijing for the holidays. Shunyi District has entered a wartime state after a resident tested positive for the virus. The Beijing Municipal Health Commission announced on December the 26th that Beijing reported 6 more locally transmitted infections. On the previous day, the city just issued 20 pandemic prevention and control measures, such as requiring all residents try their best to stay in Beijing during the New Year holiday, not to travel to high-risk areas, minimize travel in and out of Beijing, practice strict scrutiny on those who have to leave Beijing, and suspension of inbound and outbound tourism business.
New cases of infections have been found in Chaoyang, Xijian, and Haidian districts. Some places have been sealed off, and residents or employees in these places are undergoing nucleic acid testing. In addition, there was a new patient in Shunyi District, and people in that area were also required to take the test.
All these measures are compulsory. If my community is locked down, we won't be able to get out at all. If not, we need to present the health barcode when we get in and out. There are also restrictions for entering or leaving Beijing.
On December the 26th, when a new case was diagnosed in Shunyi District, Deputy Head of the district, Zhe Xianwei, declared at a press conference that the entire district has entered a wartime state and an emergency plan for pandemic prevention and control has been activated. Zhe said that the authorities would conduct mass testing for all people who have been to the places the patient had visited, and they estimated 800,000 people would need to be tested.
I can feel the atmosphere is more tense in recent days, even though we don't live in that district. We need to undergo stricter inspections when we go out. It makes us nervous.
Beijing resident Miss Xu said that she had done a nucleic acid test at her own expense before, which cost 120 yuan, $18. So far, she doesn't know whether the mass testing is free or not. On December the 18th, 2 female employees of Beijing's Qingfen steamed bun restaurant in Xicheng District were diagnosed with the CCP virus. On December the 19th, a hotel in Chaoyang District was designated a medium-risk area after a guest tested positive. Local authorities closed all the shops and businesses on the ground floor and required strict entry and exit registration, along with body temperature measurements for nearby business units, residential communities, and service places. Everyone in the area mustn't leave Beijing unless they have a strong reason and a negative test result obtained within 7 days. The official announcement claimed that the new outbreak was caused by imported cases. However, residents suspect that the authorities have been concealing the real pandemic situation all along, as the declaration of wartime mode indicated it was very serious.
It is a norm that this government always reports fake figures and exaggerates their achievements. As for us commoners, we don't have a channel to obtain real information. Based on our past experience, we are sure these are fake figures they made up based on their needs.
Beijing's Municipal Health Commission also reported 2 additional infection cases: a man who lives in Shunyi District and goes to work at a science and technology park in Haidian District, and a restaurant employee at the financial street of Shunyi District. A Beijing resident told the Epoch Times that 2 close contacts of these confirmed patients are commuters who live in the suburbs of Beijing. They take the subway to work every day and have also taken buses frequently. If everyone who had taken the subway and the buses recently must be tested, it will involve a huge number of people. In addition, Asiana Airways has an office in Chaoyang District. The company reported that a Korean employee tested positive upon returning to Korea on December the 22nd. Presently, Jiacheng Plaza, where the Asiana office is located, has been sealed off. No one is allowed to enter or leave. Due to the new restrictions on social media, our channel may be affected. If you'd like to stay tuned to our channel and receive notifications and updates, please provide us with your email by clicking the link below. Thank you for your support.